All good, bro. Nismo? Marcus.
Right?
Oh, how's it going?
What's going on?
Nice to meet you.
I saw you pull up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. We could pick a road that's like just west of that.
Yeah.
Just along the.
So that's not like overcrowded with crazy. All right, it's a nice, beautiful morning. Last night it was raining. Just came out of nowhere, and I stayed my ass inside. But here waiting on Marcus from Roads Untraveled. He's from Canada. And while I wait, I'm gonna wipe the car off and make sure everything's good to go. Actually just waiting on him to get here. Hopefully he's coming. So we'll see. But until then, we're gonna go ahead, wipe this off, and wipe him off. King Mike's king. It's a dude. Probably one of the rare guys that's named this car as a guy. But yeah, guy. Nice, beautiful backdrop with a mountain in the background. Mr. Marcus has made it from Mr. Roads Untraveled. He's from Canada. And him, Sid, are good buddies. And it's kind of like a small world because Sid and I have been buddies for like 3 years now. And then he said he was coming to Japan, and then he messaged me saying that he was coming and he would like to do a video on the car. So I was like, it's nice. So
it's only gonna be here for a limited time too.
Yeah.
So
yep, it's like a one-time, not like a one-time deal, but it's perfect timing, we'll say like that.
Yeah.
Perfect timing. Thank you very much.
No, dude, thank you. And we lucked out with the weather. It was raining last night.
Literally raining last night. It's clear, beautiful, not so cold weather. But yeah, it's really good. So we're gonna do a small review on my car, and we're gonna enjoy today.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
And it's a new road.
Yeah.
I've never driven this road. I don't know about you.
I've never been on this road at all.
Okay,
we're gonna get ready to do things. He's gonna set up his equipment and wipe down his dirty ass car. You see, he's back there doing his thing. As you can see there, nature's out there doing his thing. And the OG son is out there doing his thing. Nice. Look at King Midas. Let's go. Well, on a second note, I get to drive the 400Z. First time. It's not the manual. It's automatic. There's nothing wrong with it. Smells like a new car, which it is. It's a brand new car. So here we are again this Z with this beautiful interior and this beautiful, beautiful backdrop. Check that out. Check this out, bro. You can't, this is such a beautiful view. You're wondering why the R33 did not come with this interior. Such a beautiful interior. Why did it not come with this? Hopefully the R36 comes with something like this, because this is very, very up to date and nice. You got your boost gauge, you got your boost speed, voltage, modern technology, and the feel of this car is very, very planted. The diff, maybe it's just the tires that's on here right now, but this is a driving road. People come on bikes, scooters, bicycles, which are very, very brave to ride on this road with a bicycle, bro. Like, it's nowhere in hell I would want to do this. It's like the third time I've seen this white Supra. Maybe he's doing his thing. Yeah. The new Z is good in my books. I mean, this one is automatic, but I mean, this automatic feels pretty good.
Sometimes I feel like that when I'm walking.
So we just did the small interview. Very nice. Told him my backstory of the car and going on. Now he's doing B-rolls for the car, and this is a good time. I enjoy doing like stuff like this, telling people about what happened and how the car is going and what we're gonna do in the future with the car. There's some motorcycles that come out here. You know,